People they know say early in the day, I have a confession for me. I burn out KFC, you know, but look which one I end up. KFC out of Harbourview, me there and drive through line. He said, brother, yeah, the man forced the under CRV, nearly mash up the front of the vehicle just to get the chicken. I'm there, I gotta collect my rat chicken because I'm in the business. I want to the rat food them because everybody see the rat video, and to me, the rat they don't really work or stay at KFC. It's a young rat where probably him did a pass and he never really debut too long. Because if you see him look like him hungry because of one broom leg, I know if it's a KFC then him did a eat, him would have more flexible and you know, him would have fatter than that. So the one broom leg couldn't do him nothing. So I don't think KFC have a rat problem, and if they do have a rat problem, obviously Jamaicans don't care. I would just love KFC. And see me done just do a shoot, I'm gonna eat some KFC, and if I saw a rat in there, there's no guarantee that I will leave my food. I'm going to eat it. Yeah. Big up on myself.